Can I tell you why 9 o'clock's better than 3 o'clock? Anybody interested? Yes. 3 reasons. You can write this down. Okay? 1, at 9 o'clock in the morning, you and the people you talk to have more energy. At 9 o'clock in the morning, you generally have more energy. Number 2, the people that you talk to at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning are more apt to talk to you and more interested in what you might have to say, small amount, not huge, than people at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Because at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, they're coming home from work, they're tired, and the last thing they want to do is talk to a real estate agent saying, and you're not saying, when do you plan on moving? And you're not giving them good information about the marketplace. You're saying, hey, if I can get you more money for your house than you could get 3 years ago, would you sell, yes or no? That's your script. That doesn't work. But the script could work in the morning if you said, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, I don't know if you knew this or not, but in your area of Walnut last month, 44 houses actually closed escrow. And the really good news, 22 of those sold at or above list price. Did you know that was going on in the neighborhood? You give information, and then you get information. And the third reason, so 1 is you have more energy, 2 is they're more receptive, and 3 is the real deal. Because by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you will find something that will conflict with your prospecting. I guarantee it. Because if there's anything out there you would rather do that's different, including eye surgery, okay? I'm telling you, you will do anything not to prospect. Anything. Somebody calls you and says, look, would you take me to the hospital and sit with me for 3 hours while I get checked out? You will go do that gladly so you don't have to prospect. Okay? True or false? True. All right, so let's just move on.